What if a small 125cc motorcycle could give you the style of a big cruiser and the comfort of a city commuter at the same time? The 2026 model of the Benda Napoleon 125 is turning heads because it looks bold, modern, and different from most bikes in the 125cc class. This new machine is designed for riders who want style, comfort, and easy performance without spending a lot of money. In today's video, we'll explore what makes the 2026 Napoleon 125 special and why many new riders are excited about it. Bold and unique design. The first thing you notice about the Benda Napoleon 125 is its strong cruiser-style design. It has a muscular fuel tank, wide handlebars, and a low seat that gives riders a relaxed riding position. The round LED headlight adds a modern touch while still keeping a classic look. The bike also comes with chunky tires and blacked-out components that make it look more premium than most small bikes. Even though it's a 125cc motorcycle, the design gives the impression of a bigger and more powerful machine. Engine and performance. The 2026 Benda Napoleon 125 is powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine. This engine is designed for smooth city riding and everyday commuting. It produces around 14 horsepower, which is quite strong for a bike in this category. The bike is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that helps riders enjoy smooth acceleration and better fuel efficiency. The top speed is expected to be around 110 to 115 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for daily rides and short highway trips. Comfort and technology. Comfort is one of the strong points of this motorcycle. The low seat height makes it easy for beginners to control the bike, while the wide handlebars give better balance during slow rides in city traffic. The bike also features a digital instrument display that shows speed, fuel level, gear position, and other important information. LED lighting, disc brakes, and modern suspension help improve safety and riding stability. Mileage and expected price. Fuel efficiency is another big advantage. The Benda Napoleon 125 can deliver an estimated mileage of around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. The expected international price is around $3,000 to $3,500 US, though the price may vary depending on the country, taxes, and dealership costs. Who should buy this bike? This motorcycle is perfect for beginner riders, city commuters, and people who want a stylish cruiser without buying a heavy or expensive bike. It offers a unique look, comfortable riding position, and enough power for everyday travel. This video is for informational purposes only. Specifications, performance figures, and prices mentioned may vary depending on the market and official updates from the manufacturer. Always check with authorized dealers for the latest and most accurate details before making a purchase decision.